Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. If you don't know me yet, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. This is the only channel that I give you tips how to make money, how to build wealth. So today I'm super excited. I just bought a new asset which is called Virgin Galactic. So stay tuned for that. So I'm here in my brokerage account. How you can see, this is the assets that I already have, and I already make a video about this, which I'll link in the description below if you want to see that as well. What brokerage I use and all the stuff. And this is the brand new asset that I acquired. This company, I like a lot. This company actually. First of all, it's run by Richard Branson. And Richard Branson is an extremely smart entrepreneur. He owned the Virgin Group, like the phones, the SIM card Virgin, the internet, Virgin Media, Virgin Atlantic, the planes, and he's extremely smart entrepreneur. So I think he know actually what he's doing it, and I think we'll have a massive success with this project, and also giving the small guy like us the chance to be a part of it. So, by the way, this is not financial advice. What you do with your money, it's up to you. Please do your own research. Please check the facts. Don't take for granted what I say. I can be wrong, and but this is the investment that I make. How you can see, it's one of my biggest position. The biggest position actually I have an Intel. It's 3,100 pounds, and this is 2,600 pounds, which I bought. It's the break-even point. It's 1751. This is per share. This is in US dollar, and it's 1.5 now, but it's not gonna be a big deal. This. Um, So yeah, if we go here transaction, actually I booked it on 25th of August. How you can see here is 3,500 in local value, basically means in their currency in US dollar because it's a US company. And I think it's it's very hard to say, but it will be like the next Tesla, the next Amazon, the next Microsoft, wherever. Those guys is just pioneering the space tourism. So, I mean, probably this stock will be at least 10x. So basically, it will mean like 10 times your money, wherever you invest now, will grow at least 10 times more. If you check the Tesla, like 5 years ago, there was like $300 stock. Now it's more than $2,000 stock. I don't know in which point in time you will see this video, and probably it will be the same for this one. For the next 5 to 6 years, will grow tremendously. I mean, depends of the news, depends what will going to happen. But I read their report. So, um, so this is their website, the investor relationship with the people. So it's fact that you can check by yourself if you want to invest in this company. Um, and wherever it says here, it's kind of the the things about the company. Yeah, they have like 600 customers ready to pay money to do the trips. Basically, they go in space for like 15-20 minutes, and you enjoy the zero gravity, and you can see the Earth from space and all this fun stuff. So, but the ticket is not cheap. It's $250,000. Yeah, and probably in the beginning will be only actors or famous people or people that make a lot of money that will do this. But eventually, I think if their technology will improve, they will done they will be lower and lower the ticket price, so will be like I think probably like 50,000. So even more average people can afford this. But yeah, this is their plan. Starting space tourism. I really want to be kind of the first on this because I miss a lot of things. I miss Tesla. I miss other company that's blowing out now. Even Apple, I miss it. So at least this one will be fun to have it. But yeah, it's a long-term investment. It's not gonna. I'm not gonna sell it in the next 3 to 6 months. So at least I'm planning to hold it for the next, I don't know, 10 years. And you still go, and maybe the stock itself will pay for the ticket. So because I like this. Also, I like this project. What he trying to do it, I think is very smart. And also, I read their financial report, which you can find here, the 10K. I don't know what is it now, but it's their annual report. So basically, they saying what they find out that there are people that pay $20 million to go in space, and the only place now where you can go in space is the Russian have kind of similar service, and they charge like this amount of money. And forget about that, you go have to train for 1 year and learn the Russian language and all this crazy stuff. And like how crazy it seems to be, there's people that actually pay $20 million and done all this stuff only to go in space. So imagine those guys selling of a fraction of the price their ticket. Yeah, you'll have a little bit of training before before like going on the trips, and they will teach you some things and they will show you something how to like 3 4 days before. And yeah, but pretty much it. You don't have to spend $20 million or learn Russian or get training for 1 year for this. Yeah, I'm super excited about this talk. Short video. If you want to use this platform to invest, it's called the Giro. I'll leave a link down below. And also because for some people that stay till the end, I will give you my kind of next investment that I want to do, which again, I think it's a good company. Let me see if I have it here. I didn't save it, but anyway, I think I'll do another video for that company. I'll keep it secret for now. So short video today. If you enjoy it, you know what to do. So take care. Bye bye.